Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we use calendar within the Microsoft Word. How can we use the calendar template and what is the shortcut key to apply calendar template. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So for example, if I want to add calendar within my this document, so I will go to File and then I will go to the New option. And now you can see there are different templates here. Two of the templates are showing here, snapshot calendar, banner calendar. If I want to search any specific calendar, I can search any type of calendar and then I can add within my document. So I'm happy with this snapshot calendar. So click on this one. Another window will pop up. Now it's asking me, so do you want to create it? If I click create, so it will create that calendar template within my Microsoft Word document. So it will take a few seconds and then you will see the calendar within my Microsoft Word. So this document has been created and the calendar has been created. It will always create calendar in new document. Just keep in mind. So now it's showing the different date, so I can type and write anything within that date. For example, I have a meeting on that first date, so I will just type meeting day, and obviously I can make it bold, make it bigger to make it more prominent as well. I can change the color as well, so you can choose the different color from here. So you can change its color to make it look more nice like this. You can also change the font size, font type as well. I can insert any picture, click on the picture, and then from the insert tab, you can see the picture option, insert picture from this device. Another window will pop up. Now you select the location of the picture from which where you want to choose the picture. So I'll go to downloads and I will select any of the random picture like this. Click insert, and now you can see that picture will be inserted. You can squeeze in, you can resize the picture to make it look like more presentable so it doesn't look odd within the calendar. So yeah, so you can change the title, type it according to your choice as well. Yeah, so this is how you create the calendar within the Microsoft Word. And if you want to insert the snapshot calendar, the shortcut key Alt Fn M1. So it will select the snapshot calendar, again enter. So it will download that calendar template for me and create it on another document. It will create a brand new document and it will insert the template within that document. So the shortcut key is Alt F N M1. So this is how you can insert the calendar. You can change the formatting, change the style, and shortcut key to apply the calendar as well. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.